Hi, I'm Dr. Supriya Sriganesh, Consultant Cataract and Refractive Surgeon at Nethradhama Super Speciality Eye Hospital, and today we're going to talk about digital eye strain. So what do you mean when we say digital eye strain? It's a digital world today. Everybody is on their devices, looking at their screens non-stop, and a few years ago we used to say that this applies only to IT professionals and software people who stare at the screen all day. But in today's world it applies to each and every one of us because it is a digital world and we are all on our screens a lot of the time. So it's really important for all of us to know these few tips that would really help us keep our eyes healthy and safe from digital eye strain. So the syndrome of symptoms that encompass digital eye strain is called computer vision syndrome, and this includes dryness, the eyes feel very tired, you feel a burning sensation from time to time and you feel like closing your eyes. They feel quite tired, especially in low light or in evening conditions. It gets worse than in the morning or just when you wake up. So these are some of the symptoms of computer vision syndrome. So what can you do to combat this? So there is a rule first and foremost called the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes we must take a break for 20 seconds and look at something 20 feet away. So why we say this is it gives that 20 seconds gives us a chance to blink and really relax our eyes. Looking at something far away relaxes the eye muscles. So there are muscles surrounding the eye which contract when we are looking at something very nearby or close by to us. So when we look at something far away, those muscles can just take a break and relax and reset. So every 20 minutes if we take this break, it helps a great deal. The second tip would be to blink frequently. So our eyes have a film on top of it called the tear film, and this tear film needs to be replenished every few seconds. So this is what keeps our eyes nice and moisturized and keeps that layer of tears replenished. So every time we blink, there's a muscle around our eye which closes our eyes and squeezes our tear glands. So it's like a squeezy bottle. Every time that muscle squeezes the tear glands, the tears come out and lubricate the eye. So it's almost like a windshield wiper action, and every time we blink the tears get replenished. That burning sensation you feel is mainly because of dryness. So each time the tears are refreshed, that burning sensation goes away. So every time you feel a little bit of blurring or burning sensation, just look away, blink your eyes frequently and continue your work. The third thing is the use of lubricant. So it's really important to, especially for people who work for more than 12 hours, to use a lubricant. This is like a moisturizer for your dryness. So every time your skin gets dry, you take that lotion and apply it and make sure it's nice and moisturized. The equivalent of that for your eyes is lubricating drops. Try to use preservative-free lubricating drops. You can use this as many times throughout the day as you want without any side effects. The fourth thing is to avoid AC environments and dry environments which suck the moisture out of your eye. So to increase the moisture level and moisture content in the eye, it's great to have a humidifier in the room to make sure that the air is not too dry and it doesn't further worsen the dry eye. Thank you very much, and I hope these tips help.